The Goa budget for new fiscal is here. As the budget is laid, we hold the treasury benches accountable. The number tells a complex story. Will it ease your living? Will it better public services, the basic amenities, or will private spending eat away taxpayers' earnings? Will it be a double engine bharose bouquet or populist promises? Ease of industry or poll-year freebies? We scan beyond the speeches. Just the truth about taxes, the revenue, the expenditure, subsidies, and the aspiring youth. Top heads from the Goa's performing sectors decode the fine print. Don't miss the most watched Big Goa Budget 360-degree Panchnama with me on 6th March, only on Prudent.